And more than 2 years after a former Warren County law enforcement officer was kidnapped, shot, and left for dead,
4 suspects in this case have now been convicted. A jury on the Gulf Coast found Logan Allen Delana guilty of kidnapping and aggravated assault. His accomplice, Blake Menifee, took a plea deal before his case got to that point. Investigative reporter CJ LeBester joins us now with chilling new details in the case and the others involved. CJ?
Well, Howard, Courtney Ann, Delana and Menifee were among 8 initially arrested and charged in the kidnapping of former constable and game warden Mike Oots from his Vicksburg home in January 2023. But Oots says Delana was the person who beat him up and shot him. Now, as we first told you 2 years ago, Vicksburg officers went to Oots' home to check on him and found his truck missing. Inside his home appeared to be signs of a struggle. The next day, Oots' truck was spotted in Gulfport, driven by Delana, but Delana was able to get away. Police found Oots that evening. He'd been shot twice and left for dead inside a storage container. He had not eaten in 3 days, but managed to survive. Oots tells us he was also beaten up by Delana. Now, this sprawling case resulted in 4 total convictions. In addition to Logan, Delana, and Menifee, Isaiah Alonzo McDonald was sentenced to 20 years to serve for accessory after the fact because she helped the 2 avoid arrest after the kidnapping and assault. 2 others were indicted with hindering prosecution in the case because they helped Logan evade capture. Lisa Michelle Delana and Anna Joy Glidden. Now, Glidden took a plea deal. Prosecutors have not pursued any sentence or conviction against Lisa, though. She was only indicted. Again, Logan Delana got the biggest sentence here, life in prison, because he was deemed a habitual offender due to 3 prior felony convictions for house burglary 7 years ago. Courtney Ann.
CJ Delana was also convicted in a separate case in South Mississippi earlier this year. A jury convicted the 29-year-old of burglary of a dwelling and grand larceny for stealing forestry equipment. At least 15 guns and thousands of dollars worth of ammunition was stolen. Those crimes happened in Harrison County back in December 2022. He was sentenced as a habitual offender to life in custody.